We know that the property tax bill of Maharashtra is in regional language Marathi, which many of you may find difficult to understand. So we at ASDK Associates have made this educational video to guide you through the process of understanding your property tax bill. Now first let us take a look at the property tax bill. On the top left, observe the property tax number. It is unique for every customer. It is also known as the Milkat Kramank. Name. Just below the property tax number, the name of the owner is displayed. Address. Below name, the address of the property is mentioned. It is the complete address of the property. Property details. Next you will find the property details. This contains the details of the property, that is the address. So basically the address and the property details are the same. This is also known as Milkat Patta. Bill number. Just beside property tax number, you will find Deyak Kramank, that is your bill number. Your bill number is nothing but the number or a unique code for the bill. Every bill has a different bill number. Ward Office, Kshetriya Karyalay. On the topmost right hand side of the bill, the ward office is mentioned. It is the area where your property belongs. For example, Baner. Financial year. Below ward office, you will find the year for which bill is generated. A property tax bill is generated for a year, for example 2015 and 16. Below you will find a table. In the table you will find serially, first of all, annual rateable value. The annual rateable value of any land or building accessible to property tax is the annual rent at which the land or building might reasonably be expected to be let out from year to year. For rateable value, the basic determinant is the annual rent which the owner may reasonably expect to get if the premises were let out. Resident. If you are a resident of India, then the annual rateable value for your property will be mentioned under the head resident. And if you are not a resident of India, then the annual rateable value for the property will be mentioned under the head non-resident or Bigar Nivasi. Next, general exemption. This head will contain any amount of exemption in case you are liable to have such exemption. Then, open plot. This head contains the annual rateable value for the open plot in case your property comes under the category open plot. Finally, you will find total. Just beside open plot is the total annual rateable value for the property. In continuation of the same table above, you will find the bill is generally calculated for two slots. First half yearly bill and second half yearly bill. First half yearly bill is calculated for the months of April to September. Second half yearly bill is calculated for the months October to March. Your property tax bill is a sum of percentage of various taxes which the government imposes on the consumer. Those taxes include general tax with a tax percentage of 32.75. Water tax. It is calculated according to the water usage by the consumer. Cleaning tax with the tax percentage of 20.5. Fire tax with the tax percentage of 1.5. Tree tax with the tax percentage of 1. Water benefit with a tax percentage of 5.75. Water sewerage with a tax percentage of 9.5. Street tax with the tax percentage of 10. Special cleaning tax is not applicable. PMC education tax amount with the tax percentage of 1.75. Education tax residence, if applicable, it has tax percentage of 6. Education tax non-residence is not applicable. Employee guarantee tax is not applicable. Large property tax is not applicable. The total of A and B is the total amount you are liable to pay in a year as your property tax bill. Apart from this, there might be arrears, penalties 2% if imposed, solar vermiculture discount if applicable, which constitute the property tax bill. Then you will find the net amount. Net amount is the final amount payable by the consumer. The amount which you will find next on the bill is the amount payable till date, that is 31st May. Just below that you will find amount to be paid after date June 1st. Thank you.